Hello everyone! Today we are going to upcycle this frame. So what's this frame? Basically, this frame is a plastic one which was mass produced after the Second World War. Why plastic? Basically because the metal was being used and was used, much of it during the war. And so the companies, to redecorate the homes of the people after the war, they must produce this frame. You probably remember this image and other images, one with the red veil, or else Queen Victoria in her teens, and practically every household on the Maltese Islands had this kind of frame. What are we doing with it? We're making it a mirror. So, first of all, what do we need today? What did we do so far? Basically, we gave a small sanding on the frame. We cleaned the frame with some water and sugar soap, let it dry, and then we gave just one coat of Anguilla. This is the color from the original range of Frenchic furniture paint, and as you can see, I didn't even start using the paint. So it was just one coat and some touch-ups. Now we're going to use the Frenchic Gorgeous Gold. It's already mixed with the finishing coat because it comes in powder, and we're going to use just tips and cleaning, and we're going over the frame like this. So, what we did so far with the Frenching, we just went brushing along the design to have a little bit of detail. I went twice on it so that the sheen would show a little bit more. Now it's drying and we go on the last part of our video tutorial, which is basically using the Frenchic browning wax, which is basically my favorite wax so far. We just need the wax, the brush and the cloth to clean afterwards. So as you can see, I am finishing off the browning wax. I'm removing the excess. As you have seen right now, this is the way I apply the browning wax. I don't use any other wax beforehand, just for the simple reason because I wanted depth in the color. And as you can also see, the Angela, together with the gorgeous gold and then browning wax, has a complete new makeover. So the only thing remaining for now is putting the mirror on. What we did here, basically, we just cut a piece of mirror the size of the painting and we just obviously put it in place. And now it's ready to decorate our walls in our house. Thank you very much for joining us, and please remember to subscribe to our channel RescoliByCarlo. Thank you very much.